can see there are many cars parked here. It's look very nice. Wow, this is drug line excavator. Drag line excavator is very powerful. Wow, what is this? This is ruller. Let's put it here, guys. Wow, this is skid steer loader. It look very nice. Let's see what else is here. Wow, this is powerful truck.
It's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. That's nice.
Look, friend, look. Wow, this is concrete mixer truck. Wow, guys. Wow, this is mobile crane. This mobile crane is very powerful, guys. Wow, this is Thomas train. Wow, look, friends, look. This is water tank in a truck. Oh, guys, let's put it here. Wow, this is a luxury bus. Let's put it here. Wow, this is police car. It's very beautiful, guys. It's very beautiful. Wow, this is jeep car. It's very nice, guys. Wow, this is truck. Look, friends, look. Wow, this is police motorbike. Let's put it here. Wow, this is monster car. It's very powerful, guys. Wow, this is Tata Sumo car. Let's put it here. Wow, this is a speed car. It's look very nice, guys. Wow, this is drum truck. Look, friend, look. Wow, this is concrete mixer truck. Look, guys, we have a loaded our truck. Now we will leave. Wow, friend, wow. You can see there are many cars parked here. It's look very nice, guys. Look, friend, look. Wow, it's very beautiful. Wow, this is excavator truck. Let's put it here. Wow, this is drum truck. Look, friends, look. Wow, this is a school bus. Wow, so cute, guys. This is a garbage truck. Let's put it here. Wow, this is a helicopter. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is excavator truck. Let's spot it here. Wow, this is concrete mixer truck. It look very nice. Let's see what else is here. Wow, this is a bullet train. Look friend, look. Wow, this is drug line excavator. Let's see what else, guys. Wow, this is a ambulance. Look friend, look. Wow, this is oil tanker truck. Let's spot it here. Wow, this is excavator truck. Guys, wow, this is oil tanker truck. Let's spot it here. Look guys, we have loaded our truck. Now we will leave.